Introducing the epitome of luxury and performance in the SUV segment, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is here to leave you awestruck with its unmatched elegance and power. From the union of Maybach's heritage and craftsmanship to Mercedes-Benz's cutting-edge technology and engineering, get ready to delve into the ultimate comfort, style, and exclusivity world with the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. Background and development. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 represents the pinnacle of luxury and refinement in the SUV segment, bringing together the heritage and craftsmanship of the Maybach brand with the cutting-edge technology and engineering prowess of Mercedes-Benz. The launch of the GLS 600 marks a significant step for the Maybach sub-brand as it ventures into the high-end SUV market, catering to the demands of discerning clientele who seek comfort, style, and exclusivity. The development of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 was driven by the need to create a luxury SUV that would surpass the expectations of the most demanding customers and redefine the benchmark for luxury and refinement in this rapidly growing segment. To achieve this goal, the designers and engineers at Mercedes-Benz and Maybach joined forces to create a vehicle that offers unparalleled levels of comfort, performance, and craftsmanship. Drawing on the expertise of both brands, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 has been meticulously designed and crafted to ensure every detail, from the materials used to the technology integrated, exudes the highest level of quality and sophistication. The result is an SUV that seamlessly combines the space, versatility, and capability of the GLS class with the elegance, luxury, and exclusivity of a Maybach. The introduction of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is part of a broader strategy by Mercedes-Benz to expand its presence in the ultra-luxury segment. The Maybach sub-brand has been successfully revived in recent years, offering discerning customers a range of bespoke, high-end vehicles that provide a level of personalization and craftsmanship that goes beyond the scope of the standard Mercedes-Benz lineup. With the addition of the GLS 600 to its portfolio, Maybach is now poised to redefine the luxury SUV market, setting new standards for comfort, style, and performance. Exterior design and styling. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 showcases a distinctive exterior design that distinguishes it from its standard GLS class counterparts, emphasizing its exclusivity and luxury. The vehicle's imposing presence is enhanced by its bold proportions and elegant lines, perfectly capturing the essence of the Maybach brand. One of the most striking features of the GLS 600 is its distinctive chrome grille, adorned with the iconic Maybach emblem, which symbolizes its elite status. The vertical slats of the grille create a sense of depth and sophistication, while the chrome accents throughout the exterior emphasize its luxurious nature. The Maybach-specific two-tone paint finish, available in various carefully selected color combinations, further sets the GLS 600 apart, showcasing the vehicle's bespoke nature and attention to detail. The LED headlights and taillights of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 feature advanced lighting technology that enhances the vehicle's visual appeal and provides excellent visibility and safety. The vehicle's side profile is characterized by the elegantly contoured lines and the exclusive Maybach-branded running boards, which automatically deploy when the doors are opened, offering a convenient and stylish entry point for passengers. At the rear, the GLS 600 features a distinctive diffuser and chrome exhaust tips that subtly hint at the vehicle's impressive performance capabilities. The 22-inch or optional 23-inch forged Maybach wheels complete the exterior look, highlighting the exceptional level of luxury and craftsmanship that defines this remarkable SUV. The exterior design and styling of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 perfectly embody the essence of the Maybach brand, blending timeless elegance, exclusivity, and sophistication to create a truly unique and captivating luxury SUV. Interior features and technologies. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 sets new standards in luxury and comfort with its opulent interior that is meticulously crafted to deliver a first-class experience for its occupants. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, such as Napa leather, genuine wood, and polished metal accents, which exude unparalleled sophistication and exclusivity. One of the most impressive aspects of the GLS 600 is its spacious and ultra-luxurious rear passenger compartment. The standard configuration features two executive-style seats, which can be adjusted in multiple ways, including reclining and heating, cooling, and massage functions. Between the seats, a full-length center console houses a refrigerator, folding tables, and a wireless charging pad for added convenience. Cutting-edge technology is seamlessly integrated into the cabin, with features such as the Mercedes-Benz User Experience MBUX infotainment system, which includes dual 12.3-inch high-resolution screens for the driver and front passenger, as well as additional rear entertainment screens for the rear passengers. The MBUX system offers many connectivity options, including smartphone integration, voice command functionality, and real-time traffic and navigation updates. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 also boasts a state-of-the-art Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system, which delivers an immersive audio experience throughout the cabin. The ambient lighting system offers 64 color options to create the perfect atmosphere, while the panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, adding to the sense of spaciousness. Advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and parking assistance, enhance the driving experience, making the GLS 600 a technological tour de force. The interior of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 represents the epitome of luxury and refinement, offering a host of bespoke features and cutting-edge technologies that cater to the most discerning tastes and elevate the driving experience to new heights. Powertrain and performance. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is a symbol of luxury and opulence and a powerful and capable SUV, offering an outstanding driving experience. Under the hood, the GLS 600 is powered by a 4.0-litre V8 biturbo engine, producing 550 horsepower and 538 pounds of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring quick and seamless gear changes for an enjoyable ride. To further enhance the performance, the GLS 600 features a 48-volt mild hybrid system called EQ Boost, which adds 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque when needed. This innovative technology improves acceleration, fuel efficiency, and overall driving dynamics while reducing emissions. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, an impressive feat for a vehicle of its size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to 130 miles per hour, ensuring performance and safety. The GLS 600 is equipped with Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction and stability in various road and weather conditions. The Airmatic air suspension with adaptive damping ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, automatically adjusting the suspension based on road conditions and driving style. The GLS 600 also offers different driving modes, such as comfort, sport, and off-road, allowing the driver to customize the vehicle's performance to suit their preferences and the driving environment. Moreover, the GLS 600 has impressive towing capabilities, with a maximum towing capacity of 7,700 pounds, making it a practical choice for those needing tow trailers or other recreational equipment. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 offers exceptional performance, combining a powerful engine, advanced hybrid technology, and sophisticated driving dynamics to deliver an unparalleled driving experience in the ultra-luxury SUV segment. Safety and driver assistance safety is a top priority for the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, equipped with an extensive array of advanced safety. Driver assistance features ensure its occupants' utmost protection and peace of mind. These state-of-the-art technologies enhance the driving experience, actively help prevent accidents, and minimize their impact. The GLS 600 comes standard with Mercedes-Benz's pre-safe registered trademark system, which detects potential collisions and prepares the vehicle by tightening seatbelts, adjusting head restraints, and closing windows and the sunroof to protect the occupants in the event of an accident. Additionally, the SUV is equipped with active brake assist, which uses radar and camera technology to detect potential collisions with other vehicles, pedestrians, or obstacles, and automatically applies the brakes if necessary. Other standard safety features include Attention Assist, registered trademark, which monitors driver behavior and provides alerts if it detects signs of drowsiness or inattention, and a rear-view camera that assists with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The GLS 600 also offers an optional 360-degree surround view camera system, which provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle and its surroundings to further aid in parking and navigating tight areas. The GLS 600 boasts a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including active lane keeping assist, active steering assist, and active blind spot assist, which work together to provide semi-autonomous driving capabilities. These features use a combination of radar, cameras, and sensors to monitor the vehicle's surroundings, automatically steering, accelerating, and braking within the system's limits to maintain a safe distance from other cars and keep the SUV centered in its lane. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 also features adaptive high beam assist, which automatically adjusts the high beams to avoid blinding oncoming traffic. Traffic sign assist recognizes and displays speed limits and other traffic signs in the instrument cluster. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 offers an impressive array of safety and driver assistance features, providing unparalleled protection and support for its occupants, making it one of the safest and most advanced luxury SUVs on the market. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is a marvel of automotive excellence, combining the best luxury, technology, and performance in a breathtaking package. This ultra-luxurious SUV is set to make waves in the market, redefining the standards for luxury and refinement. In the comments section below, let us know your thoughts about the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 and subscribe for more extraordinary content. See you in the next